Hello, Buckeyes. I hope you had a chance to rest and recharge over the winter break. And I hope you enjoyed our Buckeyes New Year's victory over Utah in the Rose Bowl. That was fantastic. As spring semester begins, I'm grateful to be part of a community of people who are here for each other. Together, we celebrate the victories of our Buckeye family members and dust each other off in the wake of disappointments, particularly as we continue to face the disruptions of the coronavirus. Please reach out if you need help. A variety of wellness resources are available to our students, faculty, and staff. We've worked tirelessly to fight the spread of COVID-19 and keep our campus communities together. As we now confront the vastly more contagious Omicron variant, we must remain vigilant and keep one another healthy. Be sure to mask up indoors regardless of your vaccination status. Wash your hands regularly, and if you're feeling sick, get tested and stay home. We also strongly encourage each of you to get a booster shot when you're eligible to receive one. It's one of the best ways to continue protecting ourselves and each other from serious illness and hospitalization. Boosters are available at Jesse Owens North, where you can get tested. Additional health protocols are in place as the semester begins, and the university will continue to monitor the situation, update procedures as necessary, and share more information as it becomes available. Finally, please know that there is nothing I take more seriously than the health and safety of our Ohio State community. We have worked hard to holistically enhance security on and around our Columbus campus. Our efforts are ongoing, and rest assured, we won't let up. Collectively, Buckeyes have accomplished a great deal despite the hardship of the pandemic. While hurdles surely lie on the path forward, we can and will surmount them, just as we have before. I look forward to celebrating the class of 2022 and their accomplishments this spring at commencement. And I hope to see you all around campus soon. Take care and go Buckeyes!